Welcome to this tutorial on working with lambdas and higher-order functions in Kotlin. Lambdas are an essential part of Kotlin programming, and they allow you to create simple and effective code that is also easy to read and understand. A lambda is simply a function without a name, and it can be defined and used anywhere that a regular function can be used. Higher-order functions, on the other hand, refer to functions that accept other functions as parameters or return functions as results. Let's start by writing a simple lambda. Here's an example. Here, we have defined a lambda called printMessage that takes a string parameter representing the message to be printed. We can then call this lambda like so. This will result in the message "Hello World" being printed to the console. Now let's take a look at higher-order functions. Here's an example that uses a higher-order function. Here, we have defined a function called processMessage that takes two parameters, a message to be processed and a printer function. The printer function is a higher-order function that takes a string parameter and returns unit. Inside the function, we're calling the printer function and passing it the message parameter. We can then call this function like so. This will result in the message "Hello World" being printed to the console, just like before. However, notice that we are passing the printMessage lambda as a parameter to the processMessage function. In Kotlin, we can also create anonymous functions, which are similar to lambdas but are declared using the fun keyword instead of the arrow. Here's an example. Here, we have defined an anonymous function that takes two integer parameters and returns their sum. We can then call this function like so. This will result in the number 5 being printed to the console. That's it for this tutorial on working with lambdas and higher-order functions in Kotlin. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!